Turn off background apps. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard, then click on the Settings gear icon. In the Settings window, select Privacy. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Background Apps. Here, you'll see a list of apps allowed to run in the background. Simply toggle off any apps you don't need running all the time. These background apps use your PC's RAM and CPU, slowing down your system without you even noticing. Turning off these background apps can free up valuable memory and improve your PC's overall speed. To reset some settings for better performance, press the Windows key, then click on the Settings icon. Next, select Update and Security. On the left menu, click Recovery. Under Reset this PC, click the Get Started button. You'll get two options. Keep My Files removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Remove Everything, a full reset. For most speed problems, choosing Keep My Files is enough to refresh your PC without losing data. Resetting your PC can fix hidden issues and speed things up, but make sure to back up important files before you start. First, right-click the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager from the menu. If Task Manager opens in a simple view, click More Details at the bottom to expand it. Now, go to the Startup tab at the top. You'll see a list of programs that start automatically when your PC boots. Look for apps that you don't need running right away. Things like Spotify, OneDrive, or unnecessary utilities. To disable one, click on it, then press the Disable button in the bottom right corner. Disabling these apps means your PC boots faster and runs smoother. Press the Windows key, then type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and click on the matching result. In the Performance Options window that opens, you'll see a list of visual effects. Select Adjust for best performance to turn off all animations and visual effects, or choose Custom and uncheck only the effects you don't want. When you're done, click Apply, then OK. Turning off these fancy animations can make your PC feel much faster, especially if it's an older machine. Disabling unnecessary visual effects frees up system resources and can boost your PC's responsiveness. Press the Windows key, then type Disk Cleanup, and select the Disk Cleanup app from the results. Choose your system drive, usually C, then click OK. The tool will calculate how much space you can free up. In the list, check the boxes next to files you want to delete, like temporary files, recycle bin, and system files. Click OK, then delete files to start the cleanup. Cleaning up disk space removes junk files that can slow your PC down. Regularly cleaning up your disk helps keep your PC running smoothly and frees up valuable storage.